This is ECE Tutor. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So please subscribe to ECE Tutor. The first question is the minimum number of comparator required to build an 8-bit flash ADC is. And this is a question from GATE 2003. And the number of comparator calculated using the formula 2 power n minus 1. And here n is 8-bit. So we can get 2 power 8 minus 1, that is equal to 256 minus 1. So the answer is 255. So here the answer is C. Next question, the number of comparator required in a 3-bit comparator type ADC. And this is same comparator type ADC similar to previous question, and this is a question from GATE 2002. So we can find number of comparator using the formula 2 power n minus 1. Here n is 3-bit. So we will get 2 power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that is 7. So here the answer is C, 7. Third question, the advantage of using a dual slope ADC in a digital voltmeter is that, and this is a question from GATE to 1998. And here the answer is the accuracy of this dual slope ADC is very high. So compared to flash and successive approximation ADC, this dual slope ADC has high accuracy. So here the answer is accuracy is high. So B is the answer. Next question, a 12-bit ADC is operating with a 1 microsecond clock period and the total conversion time is seen to be 14 microsecond. The ADC must be of the type of, and flash type means it requires only one clock cycle. Irrespective to the bit size, it take one clock cycle for the conversion. And integrating, that is dual slope, and this is tracking type, counting type, and the dual slope, it is very slow. So considering the successive approximation time, in ideal case it take n, it depends on the input, that output bit size. So here the bit size is 12. So 12 bit it operating with 1 microsecond. So total 12 bit successive approximation take 12 microsecond in case of idle. So this successive approximation for n bit, it take n clock cycle in ideal case, but in practical it take n plus 2 clock cycle. So here 12 bit it take 14 microsecond. So here the answer is the successive approximation type. It take n plus 2 clock cycle in case of practical. So here 12 bit it take 14 microsecond, mean the answer here is D, successive approximation type. Next question, the number of comparator in a 4-bit flash ADC is. Again the same formula, 2 power n minus 1, that is equal to 2 power 4 minus 1, that is 16 minus 1, the answer is 15. So here the answer is B. Next question, dual slope integration type ADC provide, and this dual slope ADC provide good accuracy. So here the answer is it provide very good accuracy without putting extreme equipment on component stability. So here the answer is this B. Next question, the type of A2 digital converter normally used in 3 1/2 digital millimeter. So it requires high accuracy. So that type of component uses dual slope integrating type ADC. So here the answer is A. Next question, an 8-bit successive approximation analog to digital converter has full scale reading of 2.55 volt and its conversion time for an analog input of 1 volt is 20 microsecond. The conversion for a 2 volt input will be, and here successive approximation, the conversion time depends on the bit size and not in the magnitude of that value. So here if you are changing the magnitude size from 1 volt to 2 volt, but the conversion time won't change. So here for 1 volt it take 20 millisecond, means the for same amount of conversion time only taken for this 2 volt also. So here the answer is B, 20 microsecond. If you are changing this size, the value may be changed. But if you are changing the magnitude of that value input, we don't change the conversion time in successive approximation method. Next question, the circuit shown in the figure is a 4-bit tag. The input bits 0 and 1 are represented by 0 and 5 volt respectively. The op-amp is ideal, but all the resistance and the 5 volt input have a tolerance of plus or minus 10%. The specification rounded to the nearest multiple of 5% for the tolerance of tag is. So the specification for the tolerance of the tag is. So for that we have to find V0 value, and we know the formula here, VR into RF divided by R, and this is 4-bit tag means you give any value. This is B0, B1, B2, and this is B3. So that represent the voltage level. This may be 0 or 1. So the voltage here is, we are giving the name B. So this may be B3 plus RF, and this RF nothing but this R. So this RF is equal to R here only, but for differentiating this we put RF here. So RF divided by R into, and this R is 2R, that is B2, plus RF divided by 4R into B1, plus RF divided by 8R into B0. So taking common term outside, we will get RF divided by R into B3 plus 1 by 2 B2 plus 1 by 4 B1 plus 1 by 8 B0. So we have, this is the constant value. So this input voltage and this resistance have the tolerance of plus or minus 10 volt. And if you are taking 1 is the whole value, plus or minus 10 tolerance is, that is, so taking the numerator value as a increased value and taking the denominator as a decreased level of given tolerance value. So plus 10 means it becomes 0.1, and taking 1 as a reference, and this become 1.1, and here also 1 means the denominator reduced means this 1 become 0.9. So solving this we will get 0.35, in percentage we will get 35 percentage. So here the answer is A, plus or minus 35 percentage. Next question, an analog voltage in the range of 0 to 8 volt is divided in 16 equal intervals for conversion to 4-bit digital output. The maximum condensation error in volt is, and here the condensation error, the formula here is plus or minus del divided by 2, and here del is nothing but the maximum voltage minus minimum voltage divided by the interval. So here the maximum voltage is 8, minimum voltage is 0, and interval is 16. So this become 8 by 16, that is equal to 0.5, and this is del. And condensation error, that is given as plus or minus del. Here del is 0.5 divided by 2, that is equal to plus or minus 0.25. So here the answer is 0.25. So answer here is C. And next question, type of ADC, and we have to match the type of ADC with maximum conversion time for 8-bit ADC. And if this is parallel comparator, is nothing but flash type, and we know for flash type it take only 1 clock cycle. So irrespective to this bit size, this flash type always take 1 clock cycle. So this C connected with this 1, and dual slope, it is taking 2 power n clock cycle. So here 8-bit means it will take 256 clock cycle. So this is connected to 4, and successive approximation, it take n bit means in ideal case it take n. In practical it will take n plus 2, but in ideal case it take n. So here 8 bit means it take 8 clock cycle. So it connected to 2. So the connection here is successive approximation is 2 and dual slope is 4 and flash that is parallel comparator is 1.